Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the practical number 5. Let's see the question. The code is import pandas as PD. Data is equal to region, sales and product. I'm creating a dictionary which contains three columns. Region, sales and product, which acts like a raw data set. This is how the raw data would look like. Next is df is equal to pd dot data frame. Data threshold is equal to 1000. Threshold means which stores the minimum sales value which is used for the filtering. Filter underscore log, df.log, df sales greater than threshold and df region is equal to north. So which means that it's like only those rows where the sales has to be greater than 1000 and region has to be north. Filter underscore query is equal to df.query, sales greater than other rate threshold and region equal to north. Which means that it does the same filtering but in a readable SQL-like format. The @ threshold is basically a Python variable which is inside the query. Next we have print original data frame, print df/n, which is the entire data set. Print filter using .log and print filter underscore log/n. So whatever the log, the filter data which we have created is going to create a variable for filter using .log and will display only the filter rows. Next, print filter using .query, which means that this is the heading for the second filter result. And filter underscore query, which means which filters the rows using .query. The difference between .log and .query is .log filters using the Python code, while .query filters using a text-based condition. This is the output. So this is the raw data, the first one. Second one, I have filtered which has to be amounted greater than 1000 along with my region has to be north. So that's what it shows. So but if you can see here, if I go for greater than 1000 in sales category, 22 2200 can also come into picture. Even 1800 can also come into picture. But for 1800, the region is east. I have specifically mentioned that if the threshold value is greater than 1000, along with the region should be north. So that's the reason east will not come, only the north and the sales which filters will display you. I hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.